The process of making captivating AI-powered videos for free using the Grok Imagine tool is easier than many people think. Let's explore it step by step. First, the journey begins at Grok's homepage, where curiosity prompts the user to look for the Imagine tool. For newcomers, the website appears sleek and welcoming, with clear navigation. The Imagine tool, prominent among the listed apps, promises effortless creativity. A young content creator named Sam wishes to boost his social media posts with engaging video content, but has little budget. Sam clicks on the Imagine tool and is greeted by a simple dashboard where he can start from scratch or select popular prompt for inspiration. Sam decides to type his own idea, a futuristic city tour guided by a friendly robot. The tool offers multiple customization options: video length, style, cartoon, realistic, minimalist, soundtrack selection, and voiceover settings. Sam opts for a vibrant cartoon style and selects an upbeat soundtrack from the free library. Once Sam hits Generate, the tool's AI engine kicks into gear. Scenes are animated one after another, beginning with shimmering skyscrapers and hovering vehicles. The robot guide appears, waving to the camera and encouraging viewers to explore. One twist catches Sam's eye. The AI introduces random highlights: a floating garden, interactive billboards, and a spontaneous dance flash mob of robotic citizens. Sam can delete, tweak, or rearrange these with intuitive controls. Each adjustment instantly previews, keeping the creative workflow uninterrupted. After polishing the video, Sam uses a built-in voice synthesis feature to add narration. The tool supports multilingual voices, so Sam selects English with a playful tone. The final version sounds natural and engaging, tailored to his target audience. Sam is now ready to export his creation. Grok Imagine tool offers several free export formats suitable for social media and presentations. Copyright disclaimers reassure him that all content generated is safe to use and share. As Sam posts his video online, he sees immediate engagement from his followers. The process from prompt to polished video has taken just minutes and cost nothing. Inspired, Sam continues experimenting, creating educational explainers, product demos, and even short animated stories for fun. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced digital creator, Grok Imagine tool democratizes video creation, letting anyone produce AI-powered visuals with no technical expertise or investment. The secret lies in its intuitive prompts, real-time customization, and rich library of assets. In summary, the Grok Imagine tool is transforming creative expression. All you need is a story to tell and a few clicks to bring it to life.